In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix AMD GPU driver crashes and freezes in Windows 11. Start by disabling a few AMD software features that are often linked to crashes and freezing. Go to the bottom right corner of your taskbar and find the small upward arrow. Click it to expand the system tray. In the tray, look for AMD Software Adrenalin Edition with the red and white logo. Then double-click it to open the app. Once it opens, click Record and Stream. After that, click Settings. Scroll down until you reach the Media section. On the right side, find Instant Replay and turn it off. Instant Replay records continuously in the background, and this is one of the most commonly reported triggers for AMD driver crashes. Now click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Go to Preferences. In this section, find In-Game Overlay and turn it off. Then go back to the main screen. From the main screen, click the Gaming tab. Then click the Graphics tab. Look for Enhanced Sync and turn it off. Enhanced Sync can cause screen freezes and driver timeout issues on certain AMD graphics cards. Next, move on to rolling back the AMD GPU driver. Right-click the Start button in the bottom left corner of the taskbar. Click Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. Right-click your AMD GPU, then click Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click Rollback Driver. Windows will ask you to select a reason. Choose any option, then click Yes. Windows will now revert to the previously installed driver version. If the Rollback Driver button is grayed out, that means Windows does not have a previous version stored on your system, so skip this rollback and continue to the next fix. Now we'll make two registry changes. These are used to disable Multiplane Overlay and increase the TDR delay. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run box. Type Reged. Say the word slowly as you enter it. REGEDIT. Then press Enter. If you see the User Account Control prompt, click Yes. In Registry Editor, navigate to the first path shown on your screen. If needed, pause and copy the pinned comment so you can follow the exact path carefully. Once you are in the correct location, move to the empty space in the right panel. Right-click there, click New, then click DWORD 32-bit value. Name this new value Overlay Test Mode. Enter it exactly like this as one word, OVERLAYTESTMODE. After the name is in place, press Enter, then double-click Overlay Test Mode. In the Value Data field, type 5, then click OK. This change disables Multiplane Overlay, which is a Windows display feature that can cause stuttering and AMD driver crashes. Now navigate to the second registry path shown on your screen. Again, if needed, pause and use the pinned comment to make sure you reach the exact location. Once you are there, right-click in the right panel again. Click New, then click DWORD 32-bit value. Name this one TDR delay. Type it carefully as one word, TDRDRDELAY. Press Enter when the name is complete. Then, double-click TDR delay. In the Value Data box, enter 8, then click OK. After that, close Registry Editor. The default TDR, or Timeout Detection and Recovery setting, is 2 seconds. Raising it to 8 gives the GPU more time to recover instead of crashing. After all of these changes are done, restart your PC. Once Windows loads back up, your AMD GPU should run more stably, with fewer driver crashes, freezes, and timeout errors. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you still have problems after completing these fixes, go to amd.com/en/support and download the latest driver directly from AMD support. During installation, perform a clean install by checking the factory reset option.